In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a progress bar in Notion. Visualizing your progress can dramatically improve productivity and motivation, and adding a progress bar to your Notion tables or databases is one of the easiest ways to do this. A progress bar gives you a clear, real-time view of how much of a task or project has been completed, helping you manage your work efficiently and stay on top of your goals. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through every step in detail so you can set up a progress bar that updates automatically as you work. To begin, open the Notion page where you want to track progress. Navigate to the table or database where your tasks or projects are listed. At the top of the table, you'll see an option labeled Add Property. Click on this to create a new column dedicated to tracking progress. Properties in Notion are essentially different types of data fields you can use to organize and display information, and creating a separate property for progress will allow you to use numeric values that the progress bar can interpret. Once the new property is created, a menu will appear asking you to choose the property type. Here, select Number as the property type. Choosing number is essential because Notion calculates the progress based on numeric values. This numeric field will serve as the backbone of your progress bar, allowing it to dynamically update as you input new data. After selecting number, click on the property name again and select Edit Property to access more customization options. In the Edit Property menu, you'll see several display options, including Simple Number, Ring, or Progress Bar. Choose Progress Bar. This selection tells Notion to visually display the numeric values as a horizontal bar that fills according to the percentage you enter. The progress bar will automatically scale based on the highest value you input, so it's flexible for tasks that use percentages, hours completed, or any other numeric measure of progress. Next, start entering numbers for each task or project. For example, if a task is 25% complete, enter 25. If it's halfway done, enter 50, and if it's fully completed, enter 100. As you enter these numbers, you'll notice the progress bar filling proportionally, giving you an instant visual cue of your progress. This feature is particularly useful for tracking multiple projects simultaneously, as you can see at a glance which tasks are on track and which need attention. You can also adjust the numbers at any time, and the progress bar will update in real time, keeping your workspace accurate and up to date. And that's it. Your progress bar is now fully functional and will visually track task completion in your Notion table or database. By using this feature, you can stay organized, improve time management, and make your workflow more engaging. Updating your progress as you go will help you stay motivated and aware of your accomplishments. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. With these steps, you can create a detailed, interactive progress tracker that makes managing tasks in Notion much easier and more visually satisfying.